A patient is prescribed digoxin, whatever that is, 0.5 mgs. Tablets are administered as 250 mcgs each. How many tablets would you administer? First of all, our units aren't the same. We have to convert. And in this case, I think we should convert mgs to mcgs, right? Mgs, if we're converting them to micrograms, we have to multiply by 1,000. So that's going to be 0.5 multiplied by 1,000. Hop the decimal point 3 places, and we get it started here. So 1, 2, 3 lands here. So we end up with 500 micrograms. This is the amount prescribed, right? And the tablets are 250. Each tablet is 250 micrograms. Well, sure, 2 tablets will do the job, you know, because 500 divided by 250 equals 2. So our answer is going to be 2 tablets.